Let friends in your social network know what you are reading about while guest hosting. Jimmy Kimmel Live. Dua Lipa interviewed elderly people about herself without telling them who she was. The result? Hilarity. A link has been sent to your friend's email address. A link has been posted to your Facebook feed. New music for the weekend includes Dua Lipa's sophomore LP, Pearl Jam's first album in over 6 years, and a new song featuring Rihanna. USA Today. Dua Lipa is finding out just how popular she is with the elderly crowd. Spoiler alert: unfortunately, not very. While filling in for Jimmy Kimmel as a guest host for Jimmy Kimmel Live Monday, the Don't Start Now singer, 24, did virtual interviews with older people to see how much they knew about her. A lot of my fans are young, but I'm always trying to reach a wider audience, so I decided to reach out to some seniors, she explained in her monologue. These are real people I interviewed over the internet. I told them I was conducting a survey about music, but didn't tell him who I was. In the segment footage, titled, Dua Lipa, Lipa starts off with a general question about pop music before honing in on herself. Do you know who Dua Lipa is? She asks. Some of the replies included, who? Is that a person? And, Dua Mita. Another person misheard her completely, saying, the Doobie Brothers. A popular rock band from the 1970s. Lipa then played them a clip of her song, Break My Heart. After some smiles and head bopping, the singer heard their reviews. The reviews ranged from positive, love it, love it, love it. One woman exclaimed, to not so great, I don't know, she might do well on TikTok, another said. Lipa tried cluing the seniors in on her true identity by showing them a photo of the song's artist herself. That's terrible, one woman said, referring to Lipa's crop top in the photo. If I had a daughter, I wouldn't want her to go out in that. It looks like she's trying too hard, another commented. Lipa was a good sport throughout the segment, laughing along with the comments right through to the end, where she finally revealed her identity. Oh my, are you really? One person said. I'm going to run out right now and buy a CD. Oh swell, the woman who criticized the singer's outfit said, laughing. I really got myself in it this time, didn't I? Dua Lipa's Future Nostalgia. Throw a quarantine dance party with 2020's Best Album. More. Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga tie for most MTV Video Music Award nominations. Copyright 2020 USA Today. A division of Gannett Satellite Information Network, LLC.